Hey everybody, Matt here at 5280 Armory. A couple of weeks ago we had mentioned that we have the new Glock 19Xs in stock, but we really didn't spend a whole lot of time going into the details. So let's do that now. Everyone was asking about the Glock 19X in late 2017, and we started receiving our first handguns for sale in early 2018. This is Glock's first ever crossover pistol. This new Glock combines features from the full-size 17 and the compact 19 to create an ideal pistol for those that will benefit from this design the most. This model retains the same barrel length of the traditional 19, but it is the newer enhanced hexagonal Glock Marksman's barrel. The grip, on the other hand, is that of the Model 17 without the finger grooves, and it has a Gen 4 grip texture. The ambidextrous slide stop is like the Gen 5, but this pistol does not take the Gen 5 magazines. And to my knowledge, this is the first Glock to receive a lanyard loop of this type. The magazine release is reversible, and the back straps are interchangeable like the Gen 4 and Gen 5 models. This 19 is also equipped with tritium night sights. The trigger on this 19 is about the same as always. So let's take a closer look at some of the specs. The safe action system still uses the tried and true trigger safety, firing pin safety, and the drop safety. The striker fell consistently at around 5.5 pounds on our Lyman field gauge, and the reset was a short 1/4 inch. Some of the competition this Glock will have will be other handguns like the H&K VP9 and the Walther PPQ. So let's see how these three stack up. These three handguns are almost identical in size, but the H&K and Walther definitely have a more ergonomical grip. Due to all three having polymer frames, their weight is also very close, with the H&K only being a slight bit heavier. Time to hit the range. Let's see what our Rangemaster has cooked up for us today on our shooting drills for this Glock 19X. Continuing with the comparison that we started earlier between the H&K VP9, the Walther PPQ, and the Glock 19X, we're going to go ahead and shoot these three in a row just to see if we pick up on any differences. I know these three pretty well. They're all very good handguns, so I'm not really anticipating feeling much difference between the three. Let's start off with the H&K VP9. As you can see with economy ammunition, for me, the H&K VP9 failed to hold open on the last round. So let's shoot the Walther PPQ next. Last but not least, the Glock 19X. Like I suspected, really not a lot of difference. I can tell the difference in the grip, but that's about it for me. Any one of these handguns will be a great choice, and always best if you can rent these first to see which one's going to be right for you. And by the way, the mag does drop freely from the Glock 19X, as it should. So that concludes our shoot today with the new Glock 19X. We had 0 failures to feed, fire, or eject with this new pistol right out of the box. Today's personal protection shots were fired with and sponsored by G9 Bullets, rifle performance at a pistol's distance. So if you have any questions about this new Glock 19X, come on down and take a look. 5280 Armory, Colorado's Gun Shop. We'll see you soon.